Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to your Etrade account. First, log into your Etrade account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the account's menu, usually in the top left corner, and click on it. From there, select Move Money, and then choose the money transfer option to start the process of funding your account. Etrade offers several convenient ways to add funds. You can link an external bank account by providing its routing and account numbers. Once linked, electronic transfers, or ACH transfers, usually take 1 to 3 business days to process. Alternatively, you can deposit a check using the Etrade mobile app or by mailing it in, which typically makes funds available within 1 to 5 business days. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated helps you stay sharp, especially when managing your finances. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold and accessible throughout the day. You can find a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After selecting your funding method, you'll enter the specific amount you wish to transfer and choose the transfer frequency, such as a one-time deposit. Always take a moment to review all the transfer details to ensure accuracy before confirming. Etrade will provide updates, and you can monitor your account's transfer activity section to track the status and availability of your newly added funds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.